Hi, I'm Stacey, and this is Serve It Home Edition. You know, I love chicken parm, the whole family does, but it can be so time consuming trying to make it at home. And since we can't go out to our favorite Italian restaurant, I've got a trick on how to make this tasty Italian delight super quick. All you need is some frozen chicken breasts, already breaded, and you're good to go. Add your favorite pasta sauce, some fresh mozzarella, and of course some parm, and your favorite pasta, and you've got an Italian meal. So first what we're going to do is we're going to take our frozen breaded chicken breast. This is from Heartland Fresh. This stuff is awesome. First of all, look how huge these pieces are. What I'm going to do is just bake them according to the package directions. So I'm gonna do a serving for 6, or let's face it, that's usually a serving of 4 or 5 because this is so good. A lot of people go in for seconds. So this is gonna bake in a 350-degree oven for about 30 minutes. But just a couple of minutes before it's done, I'm gonna pull this back out, add the tomato sauce and mozzarella. So that's why I prefer to use a parchment-lined baking sheet. So let's get it into the oven. While the chicken's heating in the oven, all we need to do is boil some water, throw in your pasta. Now, I usually prefer angel hair because it can feed a lot and it's really quick to make, but you can use whatever you want. And while the pasta is boiling, now I'm gonna take my fresh mozzarella and I'm gonna slice it very thin. Now, here's a hint. If you don't have fresh and only have bagged shredded, you're totally fine. This is just what I have in the fridge and it's actually what I prefer to eat. So just really nice thin strips, just carefully cut through the mozzarella so it doesn't tear. The thinner your pieces of mozzarella, the easier it will melt in the oven. The last piece is always for snacking. So it's been about 30 minutes. I took it out just a few minutes shy because now it's time to add the tomato sauce and the fresh mozzarella. So I went ahead and heated up some tomato sauce. And what I'm going to do is just put it on top of the baked chicken breasts. Now these are big pieces of chicken breast, so I'm going to use about 2 slices of mozzarella cheese per chicken breast. The best part of using mozzarella and Parmesan is the mozzarella gives you that nice ooey gooey cheese pull, and the parm gives you all the flavor. So let's pop this back under the broiler for a couple of minutes. Now there's 2 ways to serve your chicken parm. You could go with a classic heaping plate of pasta and put it right on top. Or if you're looking to cut carbs, I get it, serve it with a side of beautiful roasted broccoli. But no matter which way you go with, one thing you gotta do, and that's to pour and serve it with a big old glass of red wine. Choose a classic Chianti or a Pinot Noir. That way, the wine won't fight with the acidity of the tomato sauce and won't overpower the taste of the chicken. Well, there you go. Mangia, easy chicken parm anytime you want it. Now to shop everything you see in the show, go to QVC.com and search Serve It. And don't forget to hit like and subscribe so you can catch all the episodes till we see you next time.